friends, welcome back to Crafter Support. I'm Andrea, and today we're going to talk about organizing our paints. So I have two different size paints here, and these are the larger ones that I'm going to keep on my desk behind me, mainly because they're my colors of my craft room, and also these are the ones I'm going to be pulling for first. And then I have this brand is called Crafter's Collection, and it's from Hobby Lobby. Very inexpensive. Not sure how they work yet, just because I'm branching out into paint and I wanted to try different brands. So we're going to try this out. But they also had a paint storage spinner. And I was like, we're all about organization this month, so let's go ahead and open it up. So it looks like it's all put together for us. Or maybe it was. Oh, I think it just sits down on. So put that down there. Yes, we have no real work to do with that, which is perfect. And then we just slide it onto here and we can start loading our paint. So the most important thing for me was having a place to put all of my craft supplies, especially because we're branching out this year and we're not just doing Cricut. We're doing painting and sewing and all the crafts you can think of we're going to be doing. So I wanted to have a good place to put all of my material. And I think this is going to work perfectly. So it holds 48 little, what are these called?
Paint tubes.
Paint tubes, paint containers. And they do fit in kind of snugly. Like, I don't think I have to worry about them falling out. And they fit on both sides. So this would be a really easy way, if you do paint, to organize all of your smaller containers of paint. What is the size for this? 2 ounces? Okay guys, I'm old and I took my glasses off. 2 fluid ounces. And again, Hobby Lobby, it was $14.99, but you know how Hobby Lobby's prices are. You might be able to find one for a better price there. But I thought this was a pretty good price. And making sure the lids are on tight. The final setup was super easy. All of our paints are in order, and now we just need to find a place to put it. And just like that, we have all of our paint organized and set up. So jump into your craft space, get all of your paint organized, and you could even do this with just a box or bin and decorate it up with some scrapbook paper and just get all of your paint together and organized, because this year at Crafter Support, we're going to be doing a lot of fun painting. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching, and I hope you're all having a great day. Bye!